start within 30 seconds.
Time to torpedo impact.
Torpedo impact, 35 seconds.
Increase the flank.
Full ahead flank.
Full ahead flank. Full ahead flank, aye.
Torpedo impact now, 40 seconds. 35 seconds. Thirty seconds.
Turn it massive in 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, mark.
Torpedo impact, 25 seconds.
The turn, Captain.
Not yet.
Mark plus 8 seconds, plus 9, plus 10 seconds, plus 11, plus 12, plus 13 seconds, plus 14, plus 15 seconds. Captain, if we're out of position by so much as a boat length.
Torpedo impact now, 15 seconds.
Sound collision.
Sound collision.
Captain, we're out of the lane.
You're relieved.
Borodin.
Right full rudder. Reverse starboard engine.
Right full rudder, all back starboard shaft.
Hold back starboard shaft.
Torpedo impact, 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Mr. Kalubin.
5.
Navigator. Mark your heading. 10 degrees off in the bottom. 10 degrees right.